What's going on, Must Do Travels tribe? Today we're coming to you from Santorini in the Cyclades island chain in the Aegean Sea. This volcanic Greek island is known for its scenic overlooks, beautiful towns with views overlooking the ocean, which has made Santorini one of the premier island destinations in all of the world. Thanks to Nick Gray over at NGreyTravels, we get an up-close look at the port town of Fira. If you enjoy virtual tours like this, please do subscribe to Must Do Travels TV. Drop a comment below, let us know where in the world you're watching from. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour of Fira, Santorini in Greece.
Babies.
Hey guys.
Does he know where they're going?
As you trip. Take a right up here. Take a right up here. A right and a left. Yeah. 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 Go. T. Lee, you want to be part of Hollywood or not? Oh, jeez. Keep going. Just straight. I'll tell you. All right, you're good.